Good teaching is good teaching whether face-to-face or online. In my years of experience working with lecturers, I have observed that there are many good practices lecturers incorporate face-to-face. But when it comes to online modules, somehow these are lost. So let's look at the current practices. In this video, we will identify good practices incorporated by two of our Teaching Excellence Awards recipients.
I teach corporate reporting and audit practice. These two subjects are quite technical in nature, so I try to stimulate their thinking by asking them a lot of questions when they give their answers so that they know the rationale behind the concepts. For the group assignments, I get the students to research on a few cases that I have identified for them. Examples are the NParks board because of the Brompton bikes. Then I also use the Olympus case where investment losses were hidden. And we get them to identify the fraud issues, the risk factors. To prepare students for the audit working world, I get the students to prepare working papers. At the end of each assignment, the students will be required to do a presentation. By doing the presentation, they're able to speak and think like an auditor.
That's great, Sai.
I mainly teach three subjects. First one is biochemistry. The second one is mammalian cell technology. And the last one is forensic toxicology. In the lessons, I try to add a lot of interactive activities.
So how to make sure the knowledge
In the practical lesson, what I have done is that I ask one operator to complete the process, but all the rest 3 or 4 group members stand behind the person. If they find out that person is making any mistake, they will point out immediately and write down on that person's self-assessment form. More than 95 to 96% of students agree that self-assessment and peer assessment actually help them to better self-judge themselves. They will know what is my weaknesses and what is my strengths, and they will check if there is any gap between where should I go and where am I now.
In this video, the lecturers we interviewed had designed meaningful learning activities for their students. The activities they designed encouraged active, reflective learning. Students worked in groups on authentic activities, and the activities were goal-oriented. Now that we have looked at how these lecturers have designed meaningful learning activities, let's look at how we can incorporate these. In the next segment, I will share with you how I use the meaningful learning framework in designing activities with technology.